guests and family this summer.
All right, well, we are back now with a recipe to share, and joining us is CommonGround volunteer Crystal Klug. Crystal?
Thanks, John. I have my helper with me today. This is Gentry, and we are going to make mango peach salsa. And what I love about this, I love making salsa, fresh salsas in the summertime because of the abundance of produce. And you don't need to be a good cook either. You just have to have the patience to dice up your ingredients. And so this is really, really simple, but it's always a crowd pleaser and always a hit. So in a bowl, you're just going to put your mango. Do you want to add your mango? And if you don't know how to cut up a mango, I would just say Google it, because there's a lot of tutorials. Mangoes can be kind of tricky because they have that pit in the middle. So we're going to add our peaches. Do you want to grab the tomatoes? And this fresh salsa is fun because it's got fruit in it, so it gives it an added sweetness. And then we're going to add our red onion, and I like to dice mine pretty small. And then what do you have, Gentry? You know what that is? Nope, it's a jalapeno. So she's going to add the jalapeno. If you like a little bit more of a spice to it or a kick, then you can add more of the white membrane. When you cut that jalapeno, it's got the seeds and the white membrane. And so if you want a little bit more kick, add some more of the white part. And then we just have a little bit of garlic, and we have the cilantro. The last ingredient is the lime. So we're going to squeeze our lime over the top. You can also let this combine all the ingredients and let it sit in the fridge for an hour before you serve. But fresh salsas are best if you eat them within 24 hours. And that's pretty simple, John. I think Karen would like this.
Yes, I know she would. Thank you for showing us how to make something nice and fresh for summer.
Yes, Crystal, I would like that. I'm
See?
kind of into mango.